How to install a Narva Explora license plate bracket and Explora LED driving light bar. Before commencing any electrical work, remove the battery's negative terminal. Position the LED light bar on the bracket and place the screws and washers in the correct holes and tighten with an Allen key. Remove the license plate from the vehicle. Position the bracket and Narva LED driving light bar, ensuring the screw holes line up. Replace the license plate over the bracket and screw in tightly. You may wish to add additional screws to hold in place firmly. Plug the wiring loom in and secure the wiring behind the grille. Turn on the driving light bar to ensure it works correctly and adjust the beam if necessary.